Hi, I'm Larry King, Dyson's Global Ambassador. We're here backstage at Erdem for London Fashion Week. Using the Dyson Supersonic today on all the models has been really key for me because it's amazing on all different hair types. It's all about maintaining the hair health and getting that really nice shine to the hair. As you're smoothing the hair out, I've been creating this really nice polished shape using the styling concentrator. And we've just used it to get that really nice polished edge and get that real period rounded shape. We've then started to do a really long braid, and then we're setting it with the diffuser, just locking in that braid. The show is all about English eccentrics. And what Erdem has done, he's actually gone back over his 15 years and he's brought back some of his most iconic dresses into this show. So I've then followed that, and I've kind of based my whole hair inspiration around American Gothic painting. This gives it a really period feel. The Dyson Supersonic is the only hairdryer out there for me that is ideal for all hair types.